Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a fair price. Features also include rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with 2016 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.